everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For everyone who's new, welcome. You're jumping in here at 5432 Southeast Cooper Street. And I told you guys I would talk to you about some of the kitchen snafus that we hit. We had an original layout that was a smidge different from this. Unfortunately, we had to shift this around a bit because the loose drawings that I gave the contractor, we were kind of improvising and I was looking for his expertise. And we had a little area of miscommunication, and he ended up with the stove shifted to the right a bit, and this cabinet here was on the left-hand side. And because of that, incrementally, we could not fit those little inches in there in order to then open this dishwasher. So you can see that, I mean, it's just a sliver of room to make that work. And because of the way that the stove projects out and sits proud, which is a terminology for the stove and how it's set past the countertop, we ended up having to kind of destroy this area, rip it apart and put it back together in order to accommodate the opening of the dishwasher. So it's really important to be clear on how you lay your kitchen out and getting those dimensions and making sure that you have the specifications for the appliances. And even potentially blue taping them off would be a really wise decision, and how they open and how far out they protrude, so that you're never in a situation where you finish and the opening and the functionality is not verified. So we are in the bathroom here at Cooper Street, and I told you guys I would give you the lowdown on this super tiny shower. We did open it up. There was a wall right here, and so we took that down. The plumbing fixtures were actually coming through this wall, so we relocated them to the other side, and we put the valve here so that you don't have to reach into this deep, narrow shower to turn it on to start your shower, and you don't have to get sprayed. So this one was a unique situation to tackle because we had originally purchased a shower pan. We wanted it to be flush, and there's a lot of technologies around the shower pans, and we ended up purchasing one that was a little more unique and harder to execute. And so we spun our wheels for probably a month trying to figure out how we would set the shower pan, seal it, and ultimately we ended up going with a different setup and a different system, and it really turned out beautifully. We ran the tile from floor to ceiling, we did the rock at the bottom, and yeah.